Thanks for joining us today. I have Mike with me and I'm Heather. And I actually wanted to ask you a little bit about CMMS and oil analysis. Integrating oil analysis with a CMMS is pretty important to most of our customers, as you know, Mike, being in the IT field and coming from an industrial background. So I was wondering specifically, how important is it for someone to be able to query a sample point within their CMMS?
Sure. So oil analysis in a vacuum isn't actually very helpful. It's important to turn the feedback and the warnings from our experts into actions to help maintain your equipment. So we have closed the loop on making sure that nothing gets dropped. No one misses an alert on a report. We give you traceability around making sure that your team gets the expert advice. It keeps track of what actions they need to take and gives you reporting in tools that you already use to manage your workforce.
Okay, so how do you actually go about linking these two different worlds?
When you join the Test Oil family, our customer service specialists work with your team to build out a full data profile of all of your equipment in our systems. And actually, if you have a contract with our Test Oil pros, they even take pictures. Now, and then based on our decades of collecting manufacturers' data, our experts have detailed specifications for all manner of pieces of equipment. And our systems integrate with your computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, to merge our information with yours.
Okay, well that's great to know and makes sense now. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more, you can download our Illuminate ebook and it will shine a light on what you should and can know about using a laboratory. Thanks so much, Mike, for joining me today.
Thank you.